So when we get to the point where we need to change something on our year end, let's say that I ran my year end here for this field, and I just looked at this one work order. It's a chemical work order, and I went, well, these comments don't really need to be in there, so I want to take them out of that work order. Let me show you how to do that. You just go in by work order number, which we can see this one is 4160-131, and we can edit those out of the work order so they don't show up on the year end. Just go to the order tab, and you can see that I've searched for this already. Well, let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do that. Type in that work order number. It's done because it's already on the work order or already on the year end, so type in done there. And I have to hit show all locations, but it never hurts to. I'm logged in as the Precision Ag division, so I don't have any customers I have to show all. So there's my work order, and I'm just going to select it from the list. Hit select, pull it up. Once it's green down here, you're working in it. You can see that I've already got it done. What I'm going to do is just mark it undone and get rid of these comments. So just reach over here and take the check out of the box. Say yes. And so now it's basically reopened. We can edit it. So I'm just going to run up here, select my comments that I want out of there, delete them, and mark it done again. Now I'm going to have to go, I've already got a grower owned machine, location 7, that's all in there. The driver I'm going to have to redo, which I'll just put me in there, and a done date. You can move this. This is the date that it's going to show up on the year-end report. So if you need to push it back or move it around, you can do that here. Let's see. I didn't write that date down. Well, let's go ahead and we'll push that back to June 2nd. Hit OK. And it will ask if you want to mark it order as done. Just hit yes. Then once you get the box up there in the corner, you can see that it's been saved. Now what we have to do is go make sure that those, because we opened this again and did our edits and closed it again, it made billing documents. So if we don't go in there and tell the system that I don't want you to push these billing documents over, we'll mess up inventory, and we have the possibility of double billing the customer. So it's important that this be done. It's just one of the steps we've got to go through, but we need to make sure that it's done quickly and correctly. What you do to do that is just go to Home, hit Sales and Deliveries, Edit Document. Okay. I'm going to go here, hit Show All Locations. Again, that's not a bad idea, because if you've got multiple shipments, like say you ship 2 loads out of Pullman to this work order and 1 load out of Uniontown to this order, there's actually 2 documents in there, one from each branch that you need to find. So I would recommend always turning on show location and always searching order ID, and you're going to find all the documents that are associated with the order. And you can see that I've got these 2 sitting here that are marked, not marked invoiced. And I want to mark those invoiced because I don't want to rebuild that product. I didn't change anything other than you know, the words in the comments section. It's not like I'm changing a bunch of delivered amounts or anything. So how you do that is you just hit select, and you bring that up, select invoiced, hit OK. Same thing there. Hit OK. And you're good. You've got both of these that are marked as done, redone, you know, from when you opened it. You made your edits to your comments, and then you've told it that it's invoiced. So it won't mess up anybody's inventory or double bill. So from there, all you do is hit cancel. And now if we go back to that field, and run a field report, we should see, yeah, that those comments are off of that sheet. And our date. So that's basically all there is to it. It's not tough. Just a matter of following the process all the way through the end. If a guy gets disturbed in the middle of it and doesn't get those billing documents messed up, or you know, inventoried, it can really, or marked as invoiced, it can really mess up a plant's inventory. So you want to be careful with that. So give that a shot. You get any problems or have any questions, give me a call.